Hello, my name's Angus Holden and I'm Chair of Jord International. We chose to get involved with the Bintan MPA firstly because we're active in the region with officers and customers. It needs protection, it needs support. Bintan MPA is a biodiversity hotspot. We're looking for an organisation that will give us a hands-on experience. We've had some wonderful experiences. I guess my favourite has been meeting the last dugong hunter, who's a village elder now, and he's turned his hand to ecotourism, and he's taking tourists around to have a look at the last few remaining dugongs. And I'm pleased to report he's come back to say that the population is slowly starting to increase. I'd say get on board. It's just so immensely satisfying. But there's so many intangible benefits for an organisation. The impact it's had on our corporate culture since we started a few years ago has just been immense. It's just so rewarding. They're the intangible benefits that supporting organisations like Conservation International can provide.